आता पळया गोंयच्या हेर वाठारांतल्यो कांय खबरो.
सोमारा रक्षाबंधन. बाजारात तरेतरेच्यो राखयो आयल्यात. वेगवेगळे रंग, मोठ्यां खातीर वेगळे, भुरग्यां खातीर वेगळ्यो राखयो.
राखी म्हणजे राखी डेली सुतांचे रेशमी धागो. आता ते पयलींच्या मोठे मोठे लोकांक राखी हे आवडना. लोक बारीक बारीकूच भुरग्यांचे खूब डिजायन आहा. डिफरंट डिफरंट तुका कॅटेगरीचे डिफरंट तुका या तुका म्हणजे कार्टून डिफरंट डिफरंट जाय तसले कार्टून.
रुरल डेव्हलपमेंट एजन्सीन आपल्या स्किमींचेर आदारीत अखिल गोंय पावंड्यावेली क्विज कॉम्पिटिशन घेतली.
ह्या भुरग्यांकडे कितें तरी नवीन आमची कितें तरी सोदपाचो एक प्रयोग आमी केल्लो आसा. आनी डेफिनेटली एट द एंड ऑफ दीस टुडेज प्रोग्राम आय एम शुअर दी स्टुडंट्स ऑर द यंगस्टर्स who are going to be or what we call is that they are the future of our nation. They are going to come out with some brilliant idea which will be very effective idea which subsequently we can adopt for our department for taking our welfare scheme to the privileged people spread all over the Goa as such.
मंदार केळकराच्या मेघा बरसत या व्हिडिओ म्युझिकल सीडीचे लॉन्चिंग झाले. कला आणि संस्कृती खात्यान ही कार्यावळ दवरिल्ली.
ज्या ज्या मुलांनी गाणं त्यांचे खरेच गाण्यातला हा भाव सगळा चांगला होता, गाणं चांगलं म्हटलं. आणि मग हा सगळा फिल्म तयार झाल्यानंतर फिल्म तयार झाल्यानंतर त्यांनी जी पुढली स्टेप घेतली की आपल्याला म्युझिक व्हिडिओ करायचा आहे. त्यासाठी ज्या ज्या कलाकारांनी इथे खूप धडपड करून मेहनत करून ही व्हिडिओ फिल्म तयार केली त्या सगळ्यांना आणि माझ्या सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना याच्यात भाग घेतलेल्या विद्यार्थ्यांना मी धन्यवाद तर देतो. त्यांचं मनापासून अभिनंदन करतो.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
फुटबॉलांतल्यान बायलांचे प्रस्न सोडोवन तांकां सशक्त करपाच्या हेतान जर्मन संघटना मंगळारच्यान धुळेर स्टेडियमार डिस्कवर फुटबॉल महोत्सवाचे आयोजन करतली. ह्या उपक्रमांत तांकां दिल्लीचे फूट अँड बॉल, तिबेट वुमन्स सॉकर आनी गोवा फुटबॉल संघटना मदत करतली.
Discover Football is a German-based NGO from Berlin, and we're doing international projects that are focused on women's football and women's rights. We bring these two together, and we want women to come together to play football together, to exchange on problems that they have, and to empower each other. To fight gender stereotypes and gender restrictions on the pitch and off the pitch.
Now we are organizing a women football festival in Goa along with Discover Football as well as Tibet Women's Soccer. And so as Pia just mentioned that we'll be having teams coming from all over India. So girls coming from Karnataka, Bangalore, West Bengal, as well as Delhi, Punjab, Rajasthan, all coming over here. We're going to divide them into mixed teams because we want to create an atmosphere where they're able to mingle with each other and understand, kind of interrelate experiences about their footballing background as well as the struggles and challenges they face in day-to-day lives.
And this is the first time that we have a Discover Football Festival in India, in Goa. And we're very happy to be here and to have our local partners. We have Foot and Ball from Delhi. We have Tibet Women's Soccer. We're cooperating with Goa FA. And I think in India, just in Germany and a lot of other countries, football is still a male sport, and women and girls are not really supposed to play. So we want to come here, and for 1 week we have this festival that consists of workshops, of a football tournament, of concerts, film screenings, and we want to create like a safe space for women to come together and to empower each other.
As of Tuesday night, it will be a public event. It's free, and we invite everyone to come and check out this great festival and to see like
some great football matches that are starting on Tuesday night.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.